Come on, girl. Yeah.
I know.
Who's gonna win?
When you get out there, it's hard.
Uh oh, Chama's winning. Uh oh. See, this side is easier. That's not fair.
I know.
Yeah, there's barely any rocks over here. Chama's just all the way up there already.
Alright, girl. Alright. You ready to get down?
Somebody needs to get their babies before they get kicked in the face.
Wait, Josh, you made it up there?
Yeah, this side doesn't have.
Look, what if she falls from there? Oh my God. No, this little girl I'm talking about.
Go there and go. Go. It's so hard up there.
A rematch was it opposite?
Go.